In this lesson, we're going to look at the letter B. We can see what it looks like, and we're going to identify the sound that it represents. So let's look at uppercase B first. This is what it looks like. I see a line and then two curves. So let's look together. We draw down, we pick our pencil back up, we do one curve, two curves. That's the letter B. Now let's try it with our finger. So we go down, pick our pencil up, curve, curve. So that's an uppercase B. And then a lowercase b looks very similar. We just take away the top curve. Look, it's just a line and a curve. So it looks a lot like the uppercase B. It's just instead of two curves, there's just one. So we do a line, and then we do a circle. It's almost like a full circle. So that's a lowercase b. And here's a way to make a B with your body. So this takes a little bit of balance, but we could try it. We'll stand up on one leg, or the same side, the arm will go down, and then we use our arm to make the top curve and our leg to make the bottom curve. Can you make this with your body? Let me see. Now we're going to look at the sound for B. B says B. Let me do it again. B. So we start with our lips together, and then they would just a little bit separate them. B, b. It's kind of a quiet sound, or like a small sound. Do you hear it too? B. You just breathe out a little bit of air. B. B says B. It represents the sound B. So here are some things that start with B, that start with the B sound. Can you think of any? I wonder if you know any words that start with B. This is it's not a car. What is it? It's a bus. Bus. This food is called banana. We have a beautiful butterfly, a boat, a balloon. We sleep on a bed. So those are all things that start with B, that start with the B sound. Now here's our card. It goes like this. B, bat, B. Let's do it again. B, bat, B. Your turn. B, bat, B. And here's how we make a B in sign language. So you're going to hold up your hand like you're doing a high five, and then you just bring your thumb in. This is a B. B, bat, B. B says the B sound. This is how we show B in sign language. And we're all done. You can now identify an uppercase and lowercase b, and remember the sound that it represents, B. So we'll be able to use this information to find the letter B in books, to sound out words. Soon you're going to be reading up a storm after you know all your letters. I'll see you soon. Love you.